Hello and welcome to this session. Uh, as I told you in the previous recording that I will distribute this whole session into three parts. First will be for overview of the gem buyer account, second will be for direct purchases, and third will be for bid and RA. So this is the second video, and I will be talking about how to make purchases through direct mode in your gem account. So without wasting much time, I will be getting live, and I will show you, I will demonstrate you directly that how you will purchase through direct mode. So this is again website of gem, and I will log in through my own user ID. And the next screen is NIC email ID and password. It is already saved in my computer, and I will not be asked to enter it again, so I will click on submit button. So this is the dashboard of our gem portal. So we have to, in this video we will be directly talking about how to do direct purchases. Let us suppose that we will have to buy a product. We will go in the search bar and we will enter the name of the product. Let us suppose pH meter. So you can see there are so many categories, and you have to select one of the categories in which this product or this equipment falls. So let us suppose as per our understanding we will select that. Okay, let us suppose this. So it will start searching it. Yeah, so these products have been displayed here. Now first of all what we will do is we will go to administrative, and this is intent of buying, whether we are going through bid RA or a direct purchase, and we have to mention it here. And presently we are not concerned about that. We will have to see how we will purchase through direct mode. So we will select our consignee. These are the consignees for different faculties. Let us suppose I'll select this one for Shalimar campus. This is one, quantity is one. So search. Now you can see the gem portal has created L1, current L1, lowest bidder for this product, for pH meter for us. So what we will have to do is, since the cost of the product we are looking for is below 25,000, it is around you can see it is around 1499, it is 13,900, it is 17,800. So we will first, what we will do is we will give specifications as per our requirement. This is warranty. Let us suppose we want 3 years of warranty. Type is microprocessor based. Let us suppose accuracy should be plus minus 0.05. Compensation type, whatever, anything it can be, automatic, manual, whatever. So likewise resolution. Sorry. So these are the specifications. So if the cost of the product is below 25,000, you don't need to compare it with the three OEMs. Otherwise, you have to, if the cost of the product is about 25,000 rupees, you have to compare it with three OEMs, three different brands, I mean to say. So if the cost of the product is below 25,000, you can randomly go and select product as per your requirements. Okay, so I have set some heavy standards. I want to show you how to purchase item which is below 25,000 directly without any comparison. Let us suppose we will select this product. We don't need any comparison for it. We'll select it randomly as per our requirement, and we will click on buy. Direct purchase, consignee we have already selected, add to cart. Something went wrong, please. Okay, so this is the, you can see here there is trends like thing here. You can click on that icon so that you may know that the same product has been purchased for this amount of money. You can see the same product has been sold on 1899 rupees in Uttar Pradesh, in 730 in Gujarat, in Maharashtra. Likewise, you can get printout of it for audit purposes. Otherwise, you don't need to do all this. We'll have to direct purchase. We can give a consignee over here also. Add to cart. The seller for this product has changed based on your consignee location. So products change when you give consignee the location of the product. As per that, the seller for this product has changed. So click here to see what is the new product they are offering us. Update cart. You can see the seller has changed because the seller which we had already selected was not able to send the product to our location. So the seller has changed, the cost has remained same. So proceed to checkout. We have selected to direct purchase, confirm, continue. Okay, here you have to select your DDO. Some DDOs has been fed in this system, and you will give administrative approval from which you have sought approval for the product, for the purchase of the product. There is financial approval, just you have to name. Okay, and GST and tax invoice to be raised in the name of, you have to select whether buyer or consignee. The bill will be on the name of these either buyer or consignee, and you have to upload file, which is very important. You have to upload your financial approval. So choose file. First of all, you have to do is you the department for which you are purchasing item has to give you sanction approval for the budget requirements, for the budget allocation for the product. So that sanction approval, you should always scan it first and place it on desktop so that it may be uploaded at this stage of stage. Okay, let us suppose it is some, it should be in a PDF form. Let us suppose this verify approval. Okay, okay, and you will be asked to continue. Okay, and you have to accept and save, and you will be asked to enter OTP which has already been sent to your email. We will not do it because we are only demonstrating. Here you can see the sanction order. You can see, now you can see the seller of the product to whom you have placed order with. So you can download it, you can print out, you can get printout of it. Okay, so if you are satisfied with it, you can proceed, provide terms and conditions. You have to accept and save, and OTP will be sent to your mobile and email ID, and you will have to, you know, so your order will be created. So this was all about direct purchase, how you can purchase directly. And second way is in direct purchase also you can, if the product is cost of the product is about 25,000, you will have to compare it with three brands and three OEMs. I will let us suppose we need to purchase all in one computer, all-in-one computer, and categories. It is showing you categories. You can select category computers. Okay, computers, and it will show you. Okay, likewise you will go to administrative. You will select consignee. Let us suppose anybody like Gaurav Baba. We need one search. Now, as per your consignee location, the items will be displayed here, and it has created L1 by default. Now when you will select product specification, accordingly the L1 will change. Like usually what the departments ask you to buy is in case of computers and all these things, they simply give you like we need Intel Core i3 processor. Will directly give those specifications. RAM 8 GBs usually, and operating system Windows 10 Professional should be preloaded, and it is as per requirement. You will give specifications as per your requirement. So the system has generated current L1 for this specification. You can see it is Intel processor. Processor generation is 8. As you go on changing your or giving your specifications, it will go on changing. So currently what we have, we have given some of the specifications to the system, and accordingly it has given us some products. Among them is Acer 1000. It is lowest, so you will select this is Acer brand. So for comparison you have to give three different brands, so we will select one from Dell and another should be some from some other brand. Okay, there is some, yeah, HLBC, it is someone. Now the comparison is complete. You can do now comparison. So start comparison. So you can see this sheet, whole sheet, comparison sheet. It is showing you comparison sheet specifications from one to another, and you can directly place order, add to cart, direct purchase, and you will be sent another screen, direct purchase. Rest of the things will be same as you just saw in direct purchase before. Okay, so I think uh, you can see demand number has been created, demand date has been created. You can consignee, it is showing us consignee, it is showing details. You can continue and give same PIO, DDO details, administrative approval details, financial details, and you have to upload sanction approval, financial approval copy, and then you can place order with them. Okay, so I think we have covered all this in direct purchase. Hope that you must have understood. Still, if you still feel that you are not able to place orders, or you can You can ask me for help through WhatsApp group what we have created, uh, or you can directly call me. So thank you very much. See you in next. See you in next lecture. I will be talking about in the next recording. I will be talking about creating RA or bid. So till then, goodbye. Thank you very much.